GCSE Thermal Physics, State of Matter and Behavior of Matter. Are you studying for your upcoming physics test or exam? Well, you've come to the right place to get the best grade you can get. In this video, we aim to teach you what you need to know about states of matter and behavior of matter. To start off with, did you know that temperature could change and affect the sizes of all objects around you? I guess not. So let me tell you. Everything in the universe is made up of matter, and matter comes in three different ways: solids, liquids, or gases. However, they don't always behave the same way. Actually, heating and cooling affect the way they behave. If matter is heated up, then it will expand and get bigger. However, if matter is cooled down, it will contract and get smaller. Solids. Generally, solids have a fixed shape and cannot flow. This is because the particles cannot move from place to place. Therefore, they cannot be compressed or squashed, since the particles are close together and have no space to move into. When solids are cooled down, they contract. This happens because the particles slow down, move less, and take up less space. This can be applied in the real world when trying to fit two pieces of metal together without the help of nuts, welding, or bolts, and just heat. This is achieved when one of the metal pieces is cold and contracted, fits into the other piece, and then when the cold metal piece is warmed up, it expands to fit the space left around it, so that the two metal pieces are strongly held together. Liquids. In liquids, the forces are strong, but the vibrating particles don't have a fixed shape. Liquids can flow and take the shape of the bottom of their container because the particles can move, but they are held close together. For example, when water is poured into a glass, the particles of water move over each other and into the corners of the glass. The particles keep on moving over each other as the water takes the shape of the glass. And finally, the last state of matter is gases. In gases, the forces are very weak and can flow to fill their container and to take its shape. This is because gases expand to fill their container and their particles can move in all directions. For example, when a Bunsen burner is connected to a gas tap and turned on, natural gas flows through the rubber tubing. The particles of natural gas are free to move anywhere inside the tubing, and the collisions between the particles and the tubing provides pressure. Finally, pressure forces them through the tubing and into the Bunsen burner. And that's about it. And here's the summary. Point 1. Solids, liquids, and gases expand when heated and contracted when cooled. Particles do not change size, only the space around them. Solids have a fixed shape, but liquids and gases can flow. Gas particles hitting the walls of the container cause pressure. And that's all you need to know about the states of matter, the behavior of matter. Good luck on your tests and examinations. Study hard.
Created using Powtoon.